After taking down legends like the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S and the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6, the all-new Pirelli P Zero PZ5 faces its next challenger, Bridgestone's dry grip icon, the Potenza Sport. This is a battle of brute grip versus refined balance. Let's dive into the numbers. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Bridgestone Potenza Sport set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Tyre Review's best performance tyres for 2025 tests. In wet braking, the PZ5 stops 0.32 meters sooner, giving it a 1% advantage over the Potenza Sport. In straight-line aquaplaning, it also performs better, resisting hydroplaning at a higher 0.7 km per hour slipping speed, giving it another 1% gain. However, Bridgestone claws back in wet handling, lapping almost 2.57 seconds quicker, giving it a 3% edge. Subjectively, it also feels more responsive, scoring a perfect 10 compared to Pirelli's 9.5, another 3% difference. On dry pavement, the PZ5 stops 0.95 meters shorter, another 3% improvement in braking. Around the track, they are both virtually neck and neck, with the Pirelli just 0.01 seconds quicker. Subjective dry handling, dead even. Both score 9.75 out of 10. It's a true tie in cornering field. Comfort is where the PZ5 truly stretches its legs. It scores 10 for ride comfort, a solid 8% higher than Potenza Sport's 8.5 points. And when it comes to road noise, the PZ5 is quieter by 1.1 decibel, translating to a 2% reduction in exterior noise. Efficiency also goes to Pirelli, with a rolling resistance coefficient value of 8.9 versus 10.7 of Bridgestone. That's a massive 20% advantage. And what about pricing? In terms of cost, the PZ5 is 4% cheaper per tyre compared to Bridgestone in the 225/40 R18 size. In summary, the Bridgestone Potenza Sport is still a beast with matching dry handling performance while delivering superior wet handling. On the other hand, the Pirelli P Zero PZ5 strikes back with better wet and dry braking, superior comfort, lower noise, and huge gains in rolling resistance. For the complete ultra-high performance package, I'm going with the PZ5.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.